Hey British Columbia, it's Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC, working out of Willowbrook Chrysler, 19561 Langley Bypass. Here is the 2019 Promaster. Great shape, just over 36,000 kilometers on it. Of course, they come with that built-in bulkhead in them. Lots of room in the back. It's got the rubberized floor. Very good shape. Body's in good shape. No dents, no dings. The tires, very good shape as well. Interior, no rips or tears in the seats. It is a 3-seater. Does have navigation, does have backup camera. It does have 3 fobs actually with it, so power locks. Does have the power windows, air conditioning. Great condition. You won't be disappointed. We do take trades, financing on site. We deliver anywhere in BC. Give me a call, British Columbia, 604-362-2922. Again, my name is Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC, working out of Willowbrook Chrysler.